Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp not opening on iPhone. If WhatsApp won't open, keep crashing or get stuck on the loading screen on your iPhone, the issue is usually caused by a temporary software glitch, an outdated app or low storage. Firstly, you need to force close and reopen WhatsApp. Once you open your WhatsApp, simply close it off and you need to reopen it again. And the next method is you need to restart your iPhone. A simple restart can fix temporary software issues. Press and hold the side button and volume button together until the power off slider appears and you need to select restart. And after that, open your WhatsApp again. And also check your internet connection. WhatsApp requires a stable internet connection. In the top right corner, simply swipe down and check for your Wi-Fi and switch between Wi-Fi or your mobile data as well. And if needed, you need to toggle on your airplane mode on and off and try WhatsApp again. And that is it. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can fix most WhatsApp issue on iPhone, including the app not opening, crashing, or getting stuck on the loading screen. And thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.